If you are starting data science from zero and you want an honest roadmap, not a sponsored one, not a perfect one, but a real one built from actual experience, this video is for you. My name is Franklin. I'm a DataCamp trained data scientist from Nigeria, building toward remote work with Western companies. I've made mistakes on this journey that cost me most. I'm going to tell you exactly what they were so you do not repeat them. I want to be clear about what this roadmap is and what it is not. It is not a get hired in 30 days promise. It is not a list of shortcuts. It is the honest sequence of skills, tools and mindset shifts that I believe, based on real experience, real interviews and real job market research, will take someone from zero knowledge to genuinely job ready. It will take time, it will be hard, but it is possible. I am proof that it is possible even from where you are right now. Before I give you the roadmap, I want to address the most dangerous mistake most beginners make before they even start. They spend weeks, sometimes months, researching the perfect learning paths instead of actually starting. They watch 10 videos about how to learn data science instead of opening one SQL tutorial and writing their first query. Research without action is just comfortable procrastination wearing a productive mask. The roadmap I am about to give you is simple, but simple only works if you actually do it. Stage 1 is foundation, and the first tool you must learn is SQL, not Python, not machine learning, not Power BI. SQL first. Here is why. SQL is the language of data. Almost every company in the world stores their data in relational databases. SQL is how you access that data, query it, filter it, group it, join it, summarize it. Without SQL, you cannot get to the data in the first place, and without the data, nothing else matters. What specifically should you learn in SQL? Start with select, where, order by, and limit. Then move to group by with aggregate functions, count, sum, average, mass, mean. Then learn join, specifically inner join and left join, then subqueries and cities, in that exact order. Do not rush. Practice each concept with real data from Cargo before moving to the next. 2 to 3 months of consistent daily practice will give you SQL skills that are genuinely interview ready. The second foundation tool is Excel. I know everyone talks about Python and nobody mentions Excel. But the reality of the data analyst job market, especially at entry level, is that Excel is everywhere. Many companies still do significant data work in Excel. Knowing pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, basic formulas, and data validation in Excel is not optional. It is expected, and it takes only 2 to 3 weeks to learn the basics well enough for an interview. The third foundation tool is a visualization tool, either Power BI or Tableau. I use Power BI personally. Both are widely used in industry. My honest recommendation is Power BI if you are targeting corporate and enterprise companies, especially in finance, healthcare, and retail. Tableau if you are targeting startups or US-based tech companies. Either way, learn one well before you try both. In Power BI, specifically focus on connecting data sources, building relationships between tables, creating meaningful visuals, and learning basic task measures. That combination is what hiring managers want to see. Stage 2 is Python, and I want to be very clear about when to add it. after you are comfortable with SQL. Not before, not at the same time, after. Because learning both simultaneously when you are a complete beginner is one of the fastest ways to overwhelm yourself into quitting. SQL first, Python second. That sequence is not my opinion. It is what the job market at entry level actually rewards. What specifically should you learn in Python for data analyst? Start with the basics: variables, data types, loops and functions. Then move to Pandas, the library that handles data manipulation in Python. Pandas is to Python what SQL is to databases. It is how you clean, reshape, and analyze data inside Python. Then learn Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization. Then NumPy for numerical operations. In that order: focused, deliberate, one library at a time. A mistake I made with Python that I want you to avoid: I tried to learn Python by watching tutorials without building anything. I consumed hours of Python content and retained almost nothing. The only thing that actually made Python stick for me was building real projects with real data. Open a cargo data set, load it into Pandas, clean it, explore it, visualize it. That process, even when it is messy and confusing, teaches you 10 times more than any tutorial ever will. Stage 3 is the one most people skip entirely: statistics and business understanding. And skipping it is why so many technically skilled people still cannot get hired. Statistics gives you the ability to understand what your data is actually telling you at a deeper level: mean, median, mode, standard deviation, probability, distributions, correlation, hypothesis testing. You do not need a statistics degree, but you need enough statistical understanding to know when a result is meaningful and when it is misleading. Business understanding is equally important and equally ignored. A data analyst who cannot speak the language of business is like a translator who only knows half the words. You need to understand basic business concepts: revenue, profit, margins, customer acquisition cost, churn rate, lifetime value. You need to understand how companies make decisions and what questions they are always trying to answer. That business fluency is what transforms a technical analyst into someone a company genuinely cannot afford not to hire. How do you develop business understanding without working in a business yet? Read business news, follow companies you want to work for, and study what metrics they care about. Listen to business podcasts, analyze data sets in business domains: sales, marketing, finance, healthcare, operations. Every project you build in a business domain is teaching you how businesses think, and that knowledge compounds faster than you expect. Stage 4 is your portfolio, and I want to be very direct about this. 3 strong, well-documented projects will always beat 10 shallow ones. Always. Quality over quantity, every single time. Each project should follow a complete structure. Define a real business question, explore the data, clean it thoroughly, analyze it, visualize the findings, write clear business recommendations, then document everything on GitHub with a README that a non-technical person could read and understand. What domains should your project cover? Spread them across different industries. 1 healthcare project, 1 sales or marketing project, 1 finance project. That spread shows hiring managers that your analytical thinking is not limited to one context. It shows adaptability. And adaptability at entry level is one of the most valuable things a candidate can demonstrate. The one thing most portfolios are missing, and I cannot stress this enough, is business contents. Most people show the code. Almost nobody explains why the analysis matter. For every project, write 3 things at the top of your readme: the business problem you were solving, the key questions your analysis was designed to answer, and the recommendations you would make to the business based on your findings. Those 3 things immediately communicate to a hiring manager. This person does not just know tools. This person thinks like an analyst, and thinking like an analyst is what gets you hired. Stage 5 is the job search, and I want to prepare you honestly for what this actually looks like, because nobody does. The job search is harder than the learning. You will apply to many jobs and hear nothing back. You will get interviews and not get the offer. You will prepare thoroughly and still be asked questions you cannot answer. That is not failure. That is the process, and the only people who get through it are the ones who refuse to stop. Here is how to approach the job search strategically. First, tailor every application. A generic CV and cover letter sent to 100 companies produces almost nothing. A tailored application that speaks directly to what that specific company needs produces results. Second, study the job descriptions of roles you want. They are telling you exactly what to learn. If every job description mentions SQL, Power BI, and communication skills, these are your priorities. The market is giving you its syllabus. Listen to it. Third, treat every interview as a learning opportunity, whether you get the offer or not. Every question you cannot answer is a gap to go home and close. Every interview that goes badly is a syllabus for the next one. I've left interview rooms feeling completely empty, and every time I went home and studied exactly what I could not answer. That discipline of learning from rejection instead of just feeling it, that is what separates people who eventually get hired from those who give up. Fourth, build your online presence. LinkedIn, GitHub, YouTube if you are brave enough. Document your learning publicly. Share what you are building. Engage with other data science learners and professionals, because the data industry is smaller than it looks, and sometimes the opportunity finds you not because you applied, but because someone saw your work somewhere and reached out. That has happened to real people. It can happen to you. Stage 6, and I consider this the important stage of all, is mindset. Because all the technical skills in the world will not get you through this journey if your mindset breaks before your skills are ready. And I want to tell you the specific mindset things that have kept me going when everything else was telling me to stop. Consistency beats talent. I've seen people smarter than me quit. People who picked up Python faster. People who understood statistics on the first read. They quit because talent without consistency is just potential that never became anything. The people who make it in data science are almost never the most talented ones in the room. They are the ones who showed up the longest. Be the person who shows up the longest. Confusion is not a sign you are failing. It is a sign you are learning something your brain has never encountered before. Every time I hit a concept that made no sense, I used to panic. Now I recognize that confusion as a feeling of my brain building new pathways. It is uncomfortable. It is necessary. And it always passes if you do not quit during it. And finally, your circumstances are not your conclusion. I am learning data science from Nigeria with erratic power, expensive internet, no mentor, no tech community around me, no guarantee that any of this will work. And I am still here, still building, still going. Because where you are starting from does not determine where you end up. What determines that is whether you keep going. So keep going. Let me summarize the complete roadmap quickly. Stage 1, SQL, Excel and Power BI. your foundation. Stage 2, Python with Pandas, Matplotlib and NumPy, your analytical depth. Stage 3, Statistics and business understanding, your thinking upgrade. Stage 4, Portfolio with 3 strong documented projects on GitHub, your proof. Stage 5, Strategic job search with tailored applications and interview learning, your entry points. Stage 6, Consistent mindsets, your everything. This roadmap is not perfect. No roadmap is, but it is honest. It is built from real experience, not theory. And if you follow it consistently, even imperfectly, you'll be significantly more job ready than the majority of people starting data science today. Subscribe to this channel, follow the journey, because I'm still on this road with you. And the best part of both our stories has not been written yet. Thank you.